In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace with Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll walk through the essentials so your Shopify products appear on Facebook Marketplace, and buyers can discover and purchase them directly. First, from your Shopify admin, install the official Facebook and Instagram app. Open the Shopify App Store, search for the Facebook and Instagram integration, and follow the prompts to add it to your store. This app is the meta channel that connects Shopify and Facebook, so make sure you choose the official version and complete the installation process. A useful tip is to perform this step on a desktop browser for the clearest interface and fewer interruptions. Once the app is installed, the next step is to connect your assets. The Setup Wizard will guide you through linking your personal Facebook account, your Facebook business page, and your Meta business portfolio. When you connect, you'll grant permissions so Shopify can manage product listings and sync inventory. Be prepared to sign into the Facebook account that manages your business page and confirm admin permissions for the Page and Business Manager. If you're managing multiple pages or ad accounts, double-check the choices before you confirm to avoid connecting the wrong assets. After connections are in place, sync your catalog from Shopify. Go to Products in your Shopify admin and review the items you want to sell. For each product, confirm it's marked as available for the Facebook sales channel. This setting ensures the item is included in the catalog that syncs to Meta. If a product isn't visible, edit its sales channel availability and save the change. It's also a good idea to confirm product descriptions, images, prices, and inventory counts are accurate before syncing, since those details will be visible to marketplace shoppers. Finally, enable Marketplace Discovery in Meta Commerce Manager. Log into Commerce Manager, open your shop settings, and make sure Marketplace is enabled as a sales destination. This setting allows your synced catalog to appear in Facebook Marketplace search and listings. If Marketplace isn't available immediately, give it some time. Changes can take a short while to propagate. Also check that your shop complies with Facebook's commerce policies to avoid delays. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll expand your reach by making your Shopify products discoverable on Facebook Marketplace. If anything seems stuck, revisit each connection and availability setting, and allow a little time for synchronization. Thanks for watching, and good luck selling on Marketplace.